Hi guys, this is DinoX here. Guess what? I just beaten the challenge battle on Battlecat. Yes, I'm play Battlecat because it's really fun and I like the game. I did beat the challenge battle. My user rank is 556. I got Megadora, Crazy Bahamut, True Valkyrie, Miss Mineko, and a lot of other random cats. And I killed a Satan Bear. But my proof because my score is ridiculously high for me because I just canned the assassin bear to death, and I actually forgot I was able quite easy. See if you have the right cast. The girl can the head bomber to kill the ruse and the 3 cast spam cats. And your cat cannon ready for the Satan bears. So that's how I've beaten the higher score level for this Dino X and out. Also do not forget to subscribe and like and watch all my videos. Bye.